Honeymoon phase in month one makes everyone feel like a genius on Amazon. But once you get to month two, three, four, five, it starts to become a lot harder, and your do it yourself seller account management might not be the best strategy. We can see right here, we helped the client get to an extra $1 million this year, and it didn't come from luck. It came from strategy and having a large team that can handle each and every request that's going to help our client get to the next level. Now you can too as well, right? But having a daily checklist is super important. And this is reason number one that it is difficult is following a daily checklist every single day, even on holidays, even on weekends, is super hard, right? So hiring somebody or at least training somebody to be managing and monitoring your performance notifications, account health, all of your issues, active listings, customer service, daily monitoring, stranded inventory, negative feedback, and not have to ask you questions constantly will and is mandatory, right? So that's what's going to get you to the next level, especially if you're learning Amazon, right? Because what happens is right when there's a policy compliance violation, what usually happens from AI or somebody accidentally reports you, or there's a buyer that complains and then Amazon thinks it's a big deal, you need to resolve these as quickly as humanly possible. Because when you don't, we see them pile up and your account gets deactivated very quickly for repeat violations. You don't want that at all. So that's going to be number one, is following that daily checklist is difficult to do when you're on weekends trying to take a break because we're all human, right? Number two and number three are going to be Amazon advertising, mastering Amazon advertising and mastering inventory management, right? So mastering one might be possible, but mastering both is very difficult. So you want to be able to master Amazon ads to the point where you're spending $7,000 and making $100,000 in return. It's a full-time job. If you know ads, if you're somebody that's coming in every single day, you're pulling reports, you're doing bulk operations, you're figuring out what's working with, you figure out what's not working. It's the holiday season, you have different keywords to target, all of these different things. It's super hard to do this, especially ads, every single day. Because if you do it wrong, it costs you a lot of money. And it goes back to inventory and forecasting. These forecasting automation tools, a lot of them are not 100% accurate. To get 100% accuracy with the inventory control, you need somebody manually doing it like at least once a week, right? Just going through all of your inventory, doing the numbers, calculating the orders per day, calculating how many orders you're getting per month, and then giving you a number and saying, look, this is what we need to do. And then after a while, being able to trust them so they can make the purchases for you. You just do the final sign off. They're the ones that are contacting the manufacturer. They're the ones getting the product into Amazon, right? So that's huge as well. And that's going to pretty much scale your business. Number four is creating a phase plan. So if you're on Amazon and you're like, things are going well, we're doing good, let's relax for a second. There shouldn't be any relaxation. You should have a high level thinker in your company. And this could be you creating a phase plan. So, how are you going to get to that next level on Amazon? And this is an example of a phase plan. This is for suspension, right? But there's other ways that you can create a phase plan. So phase number one could be identifying all of the fake competitors. Sometimes when you start making money, there's going to be people that are copying your product, copying your trademark. Now, what's the phase plan for that? How are we going to get them removed? What platforms are we monitoring? Are we monitoring eBay as well? Are we monitoring Alibaba? Do you know how to get fakes removed on Alibaba? So things like that. Phase number two could be making sure all of your content has premium A+ content. Phase number three might be running sponsored brand ads. So creating a phase plan, like a high level plan to help you expand, maybe even expand to the EU, Amazon Spain, Amazon UK, Amazon Italy, that's going to be the best part about growing your business, but also the hardest part to train and to implement, right? So that's going to be number four, is creating it. And then number five is actually implementing your phase plan, because you're only one person. If you're doing the ads, you're doing the checklist, you're doing the inventory, you're training your team,
your team can't handle it themselves, they keep asking you questions over and over and over again, you need to have an expert that comes in, tells everybody what to do, gives them the SOPs, gives them the proper training, and then it's like, hey, look, I could stay or leave. What do you need? And then they're out as needed. So that's what you want. And that's what we do a lot of the times. We'll come into the business, we'll help them train them, we'll help make sure everything's there. They have the systems, they know what they're doing, they know how we're doing it. And then once they learn it, we can back out as needed and come back, right? So it's a great opportunity for you to grow. Focus on those, but I recommend focus on one thing, making sure you've got somebody doing this daily checklist, right? Just start on the easy stuff. Work your way up to the phase plan, work your way up to the hard part. If you're trying to do this all in 1 year, it's going to be difficult, but feel free to contact us, EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us. We're ready to help you. We even offer free listing audits. You can schedule a call, solve a problem, all that good stuff for you to succeed on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.